Hello, beautiful people. Here we are. We're putting on this hardy concrete board. We've cut the shape for the fireplace, and this is a bit tricky because we have to basically chisel out all the brick here to get it somewhat flat against this plaster. So we're really kind of trying to line up with a lot of different things here. I'm going to get AIM to hold this for me while I continue to talk here. So what we did is we fitted everything here, making sure that all the concrete and the brick was flattened enough that we could get this a nice flat surface with our hardy. And now we've got a fire rated caulking along here. This is our highest point and flattest point. So we've done a complete seal so no heat can escape into and get into lumber or cause any fire. And then we got the PL 400 here that'll stick to and create a good seal and a good bind to the concrete board that'll hold that there. And then we have our big rock screws that we use here. These babies, they work quite well for hardy, holding it nice and tight there. And then we're going to put 2x4 we have here across this section, and then just to push it in and to keep it held there so nice and flat overnight until this dries. Take care, guys.